It's me, Camila Rose, and I'm back with our February Paycheck to Closeout. So we actually have some money left over this time. That's exciting. We're going to go ahead and divide that up into some envelopes and accounts where it needs to go so that it can do its best to work for me. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe if you enjoy videos about designing a life that you love. And I will see you all in just a little bit. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get this going. We have 300 for envelopes. We have 20 that we pulled out for NTTA. I have my lovely notes here. We have 1808 for our travelers, renters insurance. We have 79.99 for internet and just internet. Then we have car insurance, which is $179.63. Then we have T-Mobile, which is $135. Oh no, T-Mobile is $126. I was thinking that was too much. $25. Okay, and then we have Gem, that's $10.81. We have Netflix, which is $15. $14. We have Metro, that's $0. Travel, that's $25. We took out $85 for business. You guys, I'm so excited because I actually bought some things for the business, so I'll share that later. Savings, we took out $167. House, we took out $114. And then cushion, $10, and debt, $160. So our total then came out to and this gave us left over a total of roughly, I didn't write down what I had left over. Let's do that math real quick. That leaves us with roughly, I think it was 74. Was it 73 or 74? Let me look and see. Oh, you know what? I did the math and put it on raggedy. It's 74 that I had left over. But now I'm wondering, because if that was right or if it should have been. Oh, I did 72. Okay, I did. I took $1 away. Whew, I was like, oh my goodness. I hope I didn't do this wrong. All right, so let's flip it over and go ahead and put our additional payments up here. So as you can see, we had 72 total. We are going to put 22 towards debt. And I've got my little monies right here. So we need 22 for debt. So here's 22. And that will go in my little extra debt section there. And then we have, so we'll put a check there. We'll need to move 14 into my house savings, $7 for business. So got a 10, a 7, or 10, and 2 ones. Let's see if we can get some change. I might have some in actually my business folder. I don't know if I've shown you guys this before. I'm pretty sure I have lately, but this is where I put this is how I keep all my business stuff together. So here's a 5. Just a 5 and some 20s. That's not helpful. If I have 3, okay, there we go. I can switch out. And this is closeout income. Fantastic. So I can switch out this 10. I'll take these 3. Add them back to, add them back to mine. Put this into my business account. And then put this away. And I'm going to actually do my business budget next. I haven't decided if I'm going to start. I should start doing my business budget, like recording it. I haven't done it yet. But I'm going to do that next once I get done with that. Okay, so now that's done. So we can do business, check. Technology gets 7. I need more change. I just love that, don't you? Don't we all? Okay. Let's see what we've got left in technology. So technology, we've got 50, 20, 20, a 10, and a 1. We need 7 though, so I need to get a little bit of change. Let's see who else we have to do. Singing bowls also needs to get 7. I might have some change in singing bowls, so let's see if we can do a bit better with that. Maybe. Let's see. So we have 25 in singing bowls plus 7 would be, 25. So it'd be 32. So I don't know if I can make that work. I don't think so. I'm pretty sure I have some change in one of mine that I can. Who else do we have? Stocks is getting 4. I don't think I have anything in stocks. I don't think I do, at least. Let's look and see. Yeah, stocks is empty. Okay, so we need to make some change. I know I have some inside of my Big Bertha, as I like to call it. Let's see. Who's got some change? Some good change. Let's see what's in miscellaneous. Not enough. No. Ooh, okay. Found where I put all my change at. Okay, let's make some change. Let's do a 10. Let's do a 5, and let's do 5, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'll recount that out just to make sure that's right. So 10, 15, 16. Oh, this is so close, y'all. Sorry about that. Let me put that. Okay. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Perfect. And then I'll take that there. I'll take my 20. I'll add it to this amount, and I'll put this back where it goes, in the phone section. Oopsie. In the phone section of my, y'all, the way I'm really struggling, of my little envelope holder. Okay. Well, that made everything easier. Okay, so back to technology. This is from singing bowls. Everybody gets 7, so it's really not that big of a deal. Who gets 4? Stocks gets 4. So let's count out those 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 for stocks. Perfect. We'll go ahead and give that a check. Giving gets 7. We'll have to do, let me put a thing here and 1 here. So we need 7, 7, and 7. So we have a 10. Okay, here's a 7 for one of them. And then here's where I'll need to get some change for one of them. I think I can do this now with my 25 for my singing bowl. So it would be 25, it would be 32 total. So I'll put in the 5, take out the 10, and take out 2, 1, 2. There's the 7 and the 7 I need. Perfect. Put that away. You know, I love having sinking funds and all my folders and all that, but y'all, sometimes I get so confused. Okay. That's 7 and this 7. Okay, so 7 for singing bowls. Done. Technology gets 7. There we go. I will need to update technology. So that's 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 105, 106, 107 for tech. There we go. And then our last one is giving. And I'll have to go get that. I will have to go get that envelope. Let's go ahead and update our technology section so I don't forget, because otherwise I will. You all know I will. So let's go ahead and get that done. Ooh, I think I talked about this last time. It's almost time for me to need to print out another form for technology. Ooh, because technology is all a mess. So we are adding 7. Oh, we were supposed to be at 101. Which would put us technology at 108. So I feel like I only had 7. No, 108. Okay. Woo, y'all. This is why we keep up with it, so that we know where we're supposed to be and make sure we haven't put something in the wrong place. But all right, y'all, that's everything. We are done with our closeout. I'll have my March paycheck one coming up in the next video, and then we'll do cash sinking fund stuffings in the video after that. So that's everything. Let me know how your week's going. Let me know how your savings and your goals are going. I'll see you all later. Have a great one. Bye-bye.